This is your boy Hewitt, representing Hewitt's health, fitness, and wellness. This is a cool, calm evening, away from all the hustle and bustle from the city, right in the middle of only section of Philadelphia, here on Fisher Park, right on Fifth Street. This is the time to be one with nature, to sit back and relax, forget about all your stress and concern, and just take in some nature. This is really good stuff, really good stuff, just to be one with nature. One with nature is important. One with nature is important for health, fitness, and wellness. Represent, Hewitt, represent.